Okay, we have a piece of wood here and a pencil for marking. I will put my safety goggles on. This here is a tri-square. Now this particular tri-square also can be adjusted, which makes it an adjustable tri-square or a combination square. Now, if I want to measure on here, on either side, they have inches or centimeters, and I can measure, if I want to measure 3 inches, I can just put that at that point, take my marking pencil and mark here. Okay, I've got a mark. Now, if we want to cut a straight edge, I take this combination square, I lay it with this side against the wood, and it just lays flat against the wood, just like that. And I bring that to my mark right there. Okay, now with my mark right there, I hold it and I take my pencil and I can draw a straight line. And on another demonstration, we will use this line and a saw, and we will show how we can cut through that board. I have the option of moving any size I want, and this here will keep it square. It'll be a perfect straight cut. Now, if I want to do an angle cut, I can use this, and I will demonstrate. I will show how that looks. By laying this way, I can make an angle, and that would be a 45-degree angle. This here would be a 90-degree angle. Okay, now I'm going to show you another type of measurement. Now this is a simple ruler. It's got inches from 1 to 12, and then it's got centimeters on the opposite side. If I want to measure, for example, where we had this here, 3 inches, I can hold it right on there, and it's exactly the same as our last measurement was with this combination square. Another fancy tool is this measuring stick here, which folds out to quite a long length just by bringing it out. And with this also, we can draw a straight line. You can see the numbers on there, and you can continue to fold it out, and it gets quite long. And then again, it will fold right up into a hand size carrying tool. Just like that. Okay, this here is a retractable tape measure, and it says 25 feet. So this one here will actually go out 25 feet long. It's got a little hook on the end, so you can hook it on your piece of wood, and you can find the number you want to measure. If you want to measure 6 inches, you have it hooked, you hold it tight, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 inches. Or you could go 6.5 inches, which is between the 6 and the 7. There's a little line there. And then each little line here is also a 1/16 of an inch.